next to Pico de Orizaba, the third highest mountain in North America, at an elevation of just over 5,000 meters. Unfortunately, yeah, it's a little cloudy. It's tough to really see it all, but we'll pull out the zoom camera and see what we can get. Catch you at the next stop. Hey guys, we just got into Veracruz. We had dinner and now we're at our hotel. We woke up this morning in Pachuca.
Bless you.
At an elevation of 2,400 meters, and after a 6-hour drive, we are back down to sea level. Air's a little easier to breathe here. Veracruz has a population of about 1 million people, and we'll go explore shortly. But first, Jess is going to show you the room.
We are staying at the Hotel Posada del Carmen. We just have a very basic room for about $45 Canadian, but basic room and a little bit of the ocean view is all we really need. Just a basic bed and bathroom. So let's go explore.
Guys, so we left Vallarta Wednesday morning, and it's Sunday night, and we're on the other side of the coast here in Mexico. So we went from the Pacific Ocean to the east coast of Mexico, and in 5 days we've gone coast to coast.
We've been having a wonderful time, and it was the last good night for the first leg. There was a nice little party over in the main square with some dancing. You probably saw it, but we had a great time. We will see you on the next leg.
Perfect.